Hey friend, get ready with me for day 3 here in Orlando for my birthday. So whatever I use will be in the description because we got somewhere to be. We're not in a hurry, but still, I want to get in, get out. Amen? Amen. So yeah, whatever I use will be in the description. So let's start with some primer if I can find it. Hold on, I cannot find it. Okay, so I don't know who I thought I was not putting my eyebrows on first because y'all know I start my eyebrows. I need some structure first for them because then I go back and finish them later. Who was I? I am forgetting my routine because, you know, I'm not home. But yeah, anyways, about yesterday. Yesterday was fun. A little tiring because we had to do a lot of walking. And that mall was huge. That mall was loud. So yeah, if you saw my video, I don't know what order I'm gonna post these in, but yesterday we went to mall at Millennia, and that mall is huge and it's loud. Like, they have blaring music in almost every store, but the mall itself has a bunch of music playing, and it was just overstimulating. But the mall was nice though. It was really nice. It had a lot of high-end stores, like a lot, and they were all empty. Like, all the employees were just standing around doing like nothing. Like, ooh, well, hey, at least y'all getting paid to do nothing. But yeah, that mall was cute. My vlogging of yesterday wasn't that great, especially when we got to the mall. But at the museum, I did really well. But at the mall, because, hold on, let me get on my foundation, then we'll talk about Sephora, because Sephora was a nightmare. But yeah, I felt so bad for the employees in Sephora because you could tell, like, they were just so overstimulated. There were just so many people in Sephora yesterday. I don't know how they do it. And they had music blasting, and that's Sephora. For the size of the mall, the Sephora is very small. Like, it is tiny. Like, back from our home, our Sephora is much bigger, but I mean, our mall was smaller, but still. And it definitely doesn't have super loud music. I don't know how they get anything done in there. But yeah, I tried to vlog as much as I could in Sephora. There was just people everywhere. But I went back to look at what I filmed because I wanted to edit a little bit. Yeah, I was like filming everything but myself. Had no idea that I was filming the floor, my chin, my stomach. Like, it was a mess. And I'm mad because I thought I was filming when I was supposed to be filming, but I wasn't. I was talking about different brands and stuff. So today I'll be paying closer attention. I guess it was just really tight in there, and it was just a lot of strollers and screaming children. It was a lot, but yeah, I'll make sure I'm paying better attention today when I film because I'm trying to do better at, you know, talking in public and stuff like that. And yeah, all my efforts were for nothing. But she's getting better though, period. So today the plan is to go to Icon Park. If you've never been to Icon Park is a place where it has outdoor stuff and indoor stuff. I think, what's it? Yeah, outdoor attractions and indoor stuff, but we're mainly going to, it has like shops and restaurants and stuff like that, but we're going to see Madame Tussauds wax museum. I've been there, my mom hasn't been there, so it's gonna be exciting for her and for me too. I want to see what stuff they've changed, and then depending on, you know, the prices or whatnot, if we can, we might go to the aquarium that's out there as well, because you can do like a combo of tickets. You can go to I want to say October. It's the Orlando Eye, like the London Eye, but the Orlando Eye is just a big Ferris wheel where you're inside like an enclosed thing and you go around, and then you can combine that with the Madame Tussauds tickets. But we don't want to do that because it's very boring. I've been on it. It's very boring. You just sit there and see the view. There's not much to see, but we're not going to do that. So if we can do the aquarium, we will. If not, that's fine. I'm not a big aquarium zoo type of person because I feel like those animals need to be in the wild and not behind a glass or behind bars. If you hear a noise, I believe they're doing construction on our hotel, so sorry about that. But yeah, let's get some powder on because we need to speed this up a little bit. Yeah, so yeah, that is the plan for today. We just don't want to do too much in one day. I think I said it in another vlog, we want to spread it out because we're here for so long, which that's awesome. Get out of town for like a week, which is amazing. So, but oh my goodness, at the mall and Macy's, like, I understand that the employees wanted to make a sale, but goodness, I went over to the J'adore perfume stand and 2 people ran over to come talk to us about it. Like, I get it. I get it, customer service is your job, but girl, let me just smell the perfume. I don't want to buy it. Okay? It's a pretty perfume. It smells, well, two of them smell nice. I think the newest one smells really, really nice. I'm guessing that's the one Rihanna's promoting at the moment. That one smells nice, but oh my goodness. They were like hawks on a mouse. Like they were like vultures on a carcass. Like all the employees. I'm obviously making sure you don't steal and stuff like that, but good grief. Like you couldn't walk 2 feet without an employee saying something to you, but it is what it is. But this one lady, as we were walking out, I saw the Lancome stand for perfume, and it was this one I haven't seen before from Lancome, so I wanted to show Mom. And whoa, the employee was pushing hard. Like she wanted me to buy it and do this pre-sale thing where I can get like free gifts and stuff. I'm like, girl, I just wanted to smell the perfume and tell my mom about it. Like leave me alone. Like the perfume is nice. Lancome has some really, really nice perfumes, but girl, she was doing a little too much. And I'm like, just for that, I really don't want to buy it now. I mean, I had no intentions on buying because I just bought a Lancome perfume during the sale a week or two, like 2 weeks ago, something like that. Like, I don't need another perfume. Well, I do need perfume. need, but can't never have too much perfume. But yeah, they were doing the most in Macy's. And it was so empty too. It was weird. I've never seen Macy's that empty before. Weird. Gonna use a little bit of this to maybe look less powdery. But also, while at the mall, people don't say excuse me. People are very spatially rude. I don't want to point out who it mainly came from, but yeah, very spatially weird. Like when we were in Macy's, this one girl walked in front of my mom because she wanted to look at the Kylie cosmetic stand. She just rudely walked in front of my mom because my mom was turned talking to me because I was telling her to come over to the perfume stand, and she just wedged her way in front of my mom. All she did, because I stood there to watch the girl, mean mug her, obviously, because that's my mama. All she did was look at Kylie cosmetic stand for 2 seconds and walked away. Like, exactly, you didn't want nothing. Just being rude. Like, people, just say excuse me. Even if you don't speak English, just put a hand up and, oh, sorry, something. Something. Don't just push your way through. It's rude. Oof. And also at Sephora, I guess it was just wishful thinking. I went to Tower 28's stand gondola thing, and I was looking for Tony. Shout out to Tony girl. Hey, her what is it? Collab blush, and it wasn't there. I really wanted the orange one, obviously, because I'm an orange girl. But yeah, it wasn't there. I guess I gotta try online. Hopefully, it's still available because I really wanted one. And it's like finally when I'm ready to get one, it's nowhere to be found. Needless to say, I wasn't happy. I mean, the other colors there were fine, but I just feel like they wouldn't show very well on me, except for like the red one. But I'm not a red blush girly, not really. But yeah, shout out to Tony though. I wanted to buy your blush, but girl, it was nowhere to be found. So yeah, I didn't realize I didn't pack any sparkles because y'all know I love a good sparkly highlight. So we stopped at CVS so I can get this glitter from LA Girl. It's called Electrify. I was like, who am I? How can I be glitter girl? Because y'all know I love glitter and shimmer and all the things that shine. And I didn't pack any. Like not an eyeshadow, not glitter, not a pigment, nothing. But look at that. Shout out to LA Girl. This is pretty. Oh, I love their glitters. Look at that. Look at that. Look at, oh, so pretty. Setting spray time. And one more. Help us all, Jesus. Okay, friends, so the face is done. I'm in the bathroom because my mom is taking a little nappy nap because she has to do all the driving because I can't drive long distances, so I'm letting her take a little nap. But yeah, this is the face. Like I said, the details will be in the description, caption, whatever. But yeah, friend, she looks good or whatever. I'll show y'all in better lighting, and I'm gonna be vlogging, so you'll see the makeup better. But yeah, I don't know if I like my hair. I put it in 2 little clippy clips. I don't know. But I'm wearing my Disney shirt. It sucks that I'm not going to Disney, but Disney is so expensive, even if you're a Florida resident, which I am. But anyways, friends, thank you for watching. Make sure you go watch the vlogs. Love you, friends. Spend the day with me at David Buster for my birthday. Okay, so I said in my get ready with me when I did this makeup that we were going to go to Madame Tussauds, but baby, I'll explain later because it's really loud right now. But yeah, I'll explain later what happened with that. But yeah, let's go have fun at David Buster's. I got my new card because I had an old card and it just wouldn't work. Like I can still swipe it, but I can't tap it because you tap now. Upgrade, period. But yeah, I'm in the bathroom right now because it's like the quietest place. But yeah, let's go have fun. You ready? Me too. So yeah, this game right here, I like it, but it cheats really bad. I got all the way to the 10 at the top, and then it stopped, and I got 10 tickets. That's just not fair. Anyways, let's go find a game that I really like. Hopefully they still have it. I'm not sure if they do though. Let's see if I can find it. Ooh, Lord, some people need to take a bath. Some people are funky. Ooh, stank. Phew. Okay, we're gonna play Halo. What is this one? Fire Team Raven. This should be fun. Ooh, I think I'm pink. And Mother is green. Alright, let's see if this is fun. I hope so. Okay, we're doing well. Mother didn't know how to shoot the gun, but I got it together. We're good. I think we finished mission 1. Oh, I got 16 kills, and you got 3. But better than nothing. Oh, it's getting ready to start. Okay, so I found this zombie snatcher game, and I actually kind of like it. You have to move the finger, and I want to get that 300 right there, if you can see. So I'm gonna wait for it to come back around. Hopefully I can get it, because I actually like this game. No! Ugh. Too slow. I'm gonna try again. Okay, it's coming back around. Oh, nope, not yet. Gotta wait till it comes back around. Okay, let's see. Oh man, wait a minute. 6 plays. Oh, you can do like 6 in a row. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, 6 plays. Okay, oh, there's a 300. I'm gonna try that and get it next time. All right, let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna go now. Go now. Go now. Go now. Oh. And try again. What? What? All right, let's see if I can do it. Oh, I got it. Aw. Ooh, I got it again. I mean, it didn't do anything. Oh, man. Oh, no. I'm getting worse. Oh, I got it. It's not doing anything, though. Oh, too slow. Oh, man. I'm bad at this. All right, let's try a claw machine. Tons of tickets. Let's see. I really don't know what I'm doing. Probably not gonna get anything. Let's see. Oh, I got something. What is it? Oh, that is just not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Okay, let's try it one more time. I want to get that 200 right there. Let's see. Oh. Okay, well, I'm done. My feelings are hurt. Looking for another game to play. I don't know what to do. So many games have changed. I don't see the one that I really like my favorite game. I don't see it anymore. I'm sad. This one, Slush Rush. Let's see. Fill 50 cups to win 500 tickets. Okay, let's try. Let's see. Before time runs out. Go. Oh, you don't. Oh. This is kind of fun. Go. All right, Mom is trying the game, but you have to fill it up, Mom. You have to fill it all the way up. Go faster, Mom, faster. Don't spill. You're making too much mess. Oh, Mom. Ah! Oh. Oh. You're doing better than me. Oh, you got one more than I did. I got 21 the first time. All right, let's try this one. It's a bowling game, I think. A ball rolling game, but it's Pac-Man. All right, let's try it. Let's see if I'm any good at this. I used to be. Let's see. Hello? Oh. Hello? Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. Oh, well, it's 1,000. Oh, 2,000. Okay, period. Oh, 2,000 again. Oh, okay. Oh, this thing doesn't want me to get anything higher than, oh, okay, maybe not. Almost 4,000. Oh, no. Well, that's it. I wonder how many tickets do I get? Oh, 18 tickets, that's it. Oh, man. We're going to try this Cyberpunk Turf Wars. Let's see. Okay. Okay, friend, that does it for Dave and Buster's. Yeah, so we couldn't go to Madame Tussauds today because when you buy tickets the day that you're there, they want $80. Over $80. So we're gonna come back either tomorrow or Friday to Madame Tussauds because it's cheaper when you buy the tickets a day before you want to go. So that's weird. I wish they would tell us that beforehand. But yeah, bye Dave and Buster's. Y'all was cute. It was fun. I have over 8,000 tickets, so I think we might come back because I don't know, this is like one of the cheaper things to do. We're not gonna eat here. We're gonna go to Bahama Breeze, period, because I don't know, Dave and Buster's, their food is not that good, not to me. The last time I had it, when we went a while ago, the food was nasty. But thank you for spending the day with me at Dave and Buster's. Love y'all.